In this class we are going to draw a flower basket. So how to do this? First we will take a scale and we will find out the center line. This is my center line. Now this is 10. Approximately I am finding this one. And draw one rough standing line from up to down. Roughly you have to do, no need to get that exact measurement. So this is our center line. After that what I will do, I will start making the basket. So to draw this basket, that is totally up to you, that whether you want to make front view or little bit tilted, that is totally up to you. So but here what I am doing, I am making 6 centimeter left and 6 centimeter right. Come down little bit lower portion, whatever depth you want to show, that also you can do, that is totally up to you. Now this one I am taking 5 centimeter, and what is the depth? Suppose what depth we should take, I am taking suppose 6 centimeter, and after that this is 4.5 I am taking now, 4.5 left and 4.5 right. And after that what you have to do, just a free hand you have to join this line. Very roughly. Now after this what you will do, you can add a little bit more creativity, adding slight curve to the lower portion and join little bit curve with curve line. Now after that what we will do, we will divide this as a basket. So what I am going to do in a basket shape, let us see. Now I am going to make 1 centimeter gap. Now see last one little bit that is left, doesn't matter. This side also, in between only 1 more centimeter you can give a gap. Now after that what I will do, I'll join this line. Very roughly you have to join this line. Now after this what you will do, now after that what you can do, you can give a, suppose this is 2 lines and one is the center, so I can also divide this 2 line, 2 plus 2, but that will be not, that will be too close. So what I will do, I'll just approximately, you can make little bit straight, slight straight, one will come this side. Now after left and then rest one will be right. 1, 2. Now after this what I will do, I will start adding all the details. So what are the details? First you have to see, rest all of the details we will do, whatever part will be visible after putting that flower. Now we are going to make one handle here, curve. So how to do that? Now this one already you have learned that how to remove, how to rotate that curve, just like a bowl, okay? So this portion, first freely you can do, whatever length you want that you can make, and other portion you can take measurement. Suppose this is 1 dot, you have got 6 centimeter, this side 12. 1 dot you have got 4.5 centimeter, other you can do 9, just a double. 1 dot you have got 12, 6, this side also you will get 12. Now see, just join this line, curve, curve, curve. We don't need actually exact line because we are going to put so many flowers. So half of the area that will be automatically, it will be covered with flower. Roughly you have to make. Now after that you have to make double line. Now see this one, little bit if it is coming this side curvy, not curvy, it's okay. Anywhere the tilted end, that's okay. Once we will finish that flower, that automatically this half of the line will be covered. This is also a straight line, so leave it. Just we will start putting all our flower in our flower basket. So here we are going to start with small variety of flowers, that whatever you have learned, or apart from that if you want to put some more flower you can do that. Now see this one circle, again circle, see, one circle, two, one, two, this side. Now sum this side. Now after that now slowly you can add circle, and then these are flowers. Some are jasmine, some are daisy, any type of flower you can add. So first I will add this 4 flower in a jasmine shape. Now after this what I will do, I will start adding all the details. Sunflower with a side view. Now after that you can add more flower of variety of flower. So what can be that? That will be, you can add a tulip, that you have made so many tulips also. So this is straight line, so one U, this side another U, 3, 4. Now curve. I'm going to add now you can add rosebud, tulip flower, anything you can add, or lotus bud also you can add. Now see this one, somewhere this is only the coloring part we can change. After making some tulip, what we can do, we can make some rosebud. So here this area we can fix some rosebud and tulip flower, that is almost same. Some rosebud other side. And now after that we can change some flower types. Now we can use some bale type or anything, whatever you want to increase, that you can increase. Now here what I am doing, I'm small buds of that bougainvillea type or anything we can add. And sometimes we get especially stick also to make this basket. Decorated sticks also we can put. Now some of the flowers, that small flowers also we can decorate with our that bouquet. So sorry, this flower basket. What you can do, just small flowers. At overlapping you can show any type of flower. Now whatever flower that you're making this side, other side also you have to make, otherwise it will not match. Okay, then after that you can add some leaves. Start adding leaves. These all are the leaf that I'm adding, and some leaf you can add that upper side also. So here it is going. Then after this, now after filling that, you have to check whether which side you can add more decorative part. Upper side you can do that, more leaves also you can add here. Small, very small. Upper side, that whatever you're making, suppose lower side I have made bigger, upper side that you have to make small. Now this side you can make some of that waves also, you can make some buds that you have made in sunflower type. Now this side also. Means whatever you're making right side, you have to make left side. Okay, then after that, just for decoration, what you can do, down to this portion, some of the flowers that whatever you have made here, you can make down this side also, just for decoration. So just scribbling like this will be center, and some of the bud also you can make this side that it is falling. Okay, some leaves, just to give that natural effect. Now after this, what I will do, I'll try to cover this with the table. So this portion I'm going to add one table. So just to give a 1 or 2 centimeter, just come forward. This side also you can come and make slight slanting line of suppose here I'm making a 4 centimeter. So this side also you can make 4 centimeter, but you have to check that distance. So this dot, and let us check that distance. So this is of 15.5, so this gap should be also 15.5. Oh, we got that distance. Now make a slipping line, and after that just to come down. So we will try to cover this as a table cover, or if you want to make a slab or anything, that way also you can do. Now we have to check whatever parts that is left over for this curve one, this curve that we have made. So this is the curve that we have made. So one, just to make lines, suppose it is going this side, and this will go this side. Just only curving line I am giving, so that it will give handle effect. Now this flower basket drawing is ready. Now we are going to start coloring now. So how to color this? Suppose this is a flower, we are going to start with this flower. Now just like that we have already learned, and let's start from yellow. The more depth work you are going to do, it will look more beautiful. So just trace it and add all the details. And you have learned the tulip flower, you have learned these all leaves. Okay, only the main thing is that you have to follow it very carefully. Now see this one, little bit you have to give shade effect. Then orange. Similarly to other side also you have to do. This one just like a composition that already you have done so many times in vegetables, fruits, and after that this one. This is orange and this is very light color flower that we are making. And after that, just to give that effect, lower portion you can make little bit brown. Slide inner portion and this side shade. This is shade that I'm making. Now after that again this portion also similarly you have to color. Then orange color. And after that this is a brown color. This side we have to shade here. This is upper portion. Means you have to check that which portion you are going to highlight, which portion you are going to make it a down or up. Now this is back portion. I'm using brown because this is light color flower, so shade also we will do light. Lower portion I'm making it dark. Very carefully you have to erase these all pencil marks also.